Hi everyone, it's Feature Friday again, and today we're going to talk about the Thermote and how it's smartphone controlled. This can be with Apple or Android. I personally have an Android, and I know the last Feature Friday post I showed you the app, and I want to show you again today, give you a little more explanation, just so you can understand how easy it is to use. I know, it looks super high tech, but I promise it's so easy.
Alright, so here is the app, and this is the screen you first see when you enter. I have multiple Zynect products, so here's my Thermote, my Soyomote, and I actually connected to the Ithaca Farmers Market Thermote with a share code. If you're interested in giving this app a try and seeing just how easy it is to use, then comment below and we'll give you a share code so you can try it out. So let's go into the Thermote. My Thermote's right there, so it's currently monitoring the temperature of the room that I'm in, which is 64.0 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the smartphone control comes into play when you set a range. So I definitely don't want this room to go above, I don't know, 96.5 degrees. And I don't want it below, why don't we say -4. Now that this range has been set, the Thermote will alert me if the temperature goes above 96.5 or below -4, and this alert is given via text message right away as soon as the temperature goes above or below that range. That's all it is, and it's really simple, really easy to use. Here it gives you a graph and the time that the temperature was taken. You can also make it so it gives you alerts if the sensor is out of bounds, offline, or even when it comes back online. Super easy to use, like I said, and you can personalize it into doing whatever you need it to do for you. And I hope this video shows just how easy it is, and thanks for sticking around for Feature Friday.